Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're diving deep into our top double indicator trading strategy and how to use these indicators alongside price action. We'll provide a step-by-step guide that will help you know when to enter high probability trades. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of these amazing trading indicators. First, let's get familiar with the trading tools. The buy and sell signal indicator we see on the chart is called the Hull Trend Indicator, and the one at the bottom is the Hull Butterfly Oscillator. These will help us find perfect trade entries. Let's start the video by opening the Euro against US dollar 5-minute chart. This strategy works well on the 5-minute time and above for major Forex pairs and 15-minute time frame and above on crypto. Here's how to set it up. Search for the Hull Butterfly Oscillator in the TradingView search box. Click on the Hull Butterfly Oscillator by Let's Sol Go and change the bullish and bearish dot options to columns instead of dots. Also replace the length from 11 to 14. Next, search for the Hull Trend in the TradingView search box. Click on the Hull Trend by JaggedSoft and change the length from 23 to 24. Now, our setup is ready. If you like this trading setup and learned something new, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's see how to use these trading setups in real time. When the Hull Butterfly Oscillator gives a bearish reversal signal, wait for confirmation. When the Hull Trend Indicator gives a sell signal and the market forms a bearish candle, place a sell order. Set your stop loss at the previous market high and use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. In another example, when the Hull Butterfly Oscillator gives a bullish reversal signal, wait for confirmation. When the Hull Trend Indicator gives a buy signal and the market forms a bullish candle, place a buy order. Set your stop loss at the previous market low and use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 again. The market hits the target. If you're not convinced yet, let's look at another examples. Here, the Hull Butterfly Oscillator gives a bullish reversal signal. Wait for confirmation and the Hull Trend Indicator gives a buy signal. The market forms a bullish candle, so we place a buy order, set the stop loss at the previous market low, and use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now let's see a couple of more trades which are just a part of 100 times backtesting and forward testing this strategy. And shortly after, I'll share the results with you. Looking to step into the world of trading? Look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. FP Markets, where trading dreams become reality. So here are the results. And as you can see, this bad boy is pretty darn accurate and profitable. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. I hope you enjoyed this trading strategy. If you learned something new, please like the video, share it with your community and friends, and also consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and don't miss the suggested videos on your screen. See you in the next video.